Hi guys, welcome to Economic Job Preparation YouTube channel. If you are preparing for APSC CCE 2025, you are in the right place. In this video, we will be analyzing the 2001 APSC CCE Prelims question paper to identify the most important topics, spot recurring pattern, and understand how this can help you crack the upcoming exam with confidence. Stay tuned till the end because I will also be sharing some expert tips to make your preparation even more effective. Let's get started. APSC 2001 previous year question. In respect of sediment carriage, the rank of the Brahmaputra river among the rivers of the world is here. The correct option is option C, that is third. In terms of sediment carriage, the Brahmaputra rivers rank third among the world's rivers. The Brahmaputra is known for carrying a large amount of sediment, contributing to its dynamic nature and the formation of large riverine highland and floodplains. The proposed Ranganadi project is likely to benefit option A, Nagaland and Manipur, option B, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, option C, Tripura and Mizoram, option D, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Here, the correct option is Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. The Ranganadi hydroelectricity project is located in Arunachal Pradesh, is likely to benefit Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Also, the other northeastern states. The Ranganadi hydroelectricity project is situated in the lower Subansiri district in Arunachal Pradesh, specifically in the Ranganadi and adjoining the Krong basins. The only phosphatic fertilizer plant of Northeast India is located in here. The correct option is option C. The only phosphatic fertilizer plant in Northeast India is located in Namrup, Assam. Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited. This company is responsible for the phosphatic fertilizer plant in Namrup. Also, this year the cabinet approves 10,601 crore Assam's Namrup fertilizer plant proposed in union budget. The Ahoms who entered into Assam erstwhile established their capital at here. The correct option is option A, Soraidew. The Ahoms, upon entering Assam, established their first capital at Soraidew in 1253 CE. The Ahom king Saulung Chokafa, also known as Sokafa, reached the Brahmaputra Valley in 1228 and after some time settled at Soraidew in 1253, making it the first Ahom capital. In respect of potato production among the northeastern states of India, the first and second ranks are occupied by Assam and Meghalaya. Which of the following states ranks third? Here, the correct option is Tripura. Among the northeastern states of India, if Assam and Meghalaya hold the first and second ranks in potato production, then Tripura ranks third. Which district of Assam has the longest international boundary? The correct option is Dhubri. The district of Assam with the longest international boundary is Dhubri, which shares a border with Bangladesh. The total number of development blocks in Assam is here. The correct option is option C, that is 219. The annual production of finished tea in recent year in Assam is around. The options are 5 lakh tons, 10 lakh tons, option C 20 lakh tons, option D 50 lakh. Here the correct option is 5 lakh tons. The first president of India to be elected unopposed was here. The correct option is option C, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 1977 to 1982 is the only president of India who was elected unopposed, which means there were no opponents competing against him. In which year did the Government of India constitute the Minorities Commission to provide institutional safeguards for the minorities? Here, all the options are incorrect. The National Commission for Minorities is an autonomous body established by the Indian government in 1992 under the National Commission for Minorities Act 1992. The setting up of the commission was envisaged in Ministry of Home Affairs resolution of 1978 for the enforcement and implementation of all the safeguards provided for the minorities in the constitutions. The Constituent Assembly was set up according to the proposal of the. Here, the correct option is option B, that is Cabinet Mission Plan. The Cabinet Mission was a high-powered mission sent in February 1946 to India by the Attlee government. The mission had three British cabinet members, Patrick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander. The Cabinet mission's aims was to discuss the transfer of power from British to Indian leadership. The condition of the President's office is laid down in Article. Here, the correct option is option A, that is 57th of the Constitution. The power to nominate 12 members to the Rajya Sabha is laid down in Article. Here, the correct option is Article 80 of the Constitution. This article specifically addresses the composition of the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha, including the nomination of 12 members by the President. The Sarkaria Commission was appointed during the administration of the Prime Minister. The correct option is option B, that is Indira Gandhi. The Sarkaria Commission was appointed by the Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi. It is a three-member commission under the chairmanship of Justice R.S. Sarkaria to review the questions of center-state relations. The commission submitted its report to the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on 27 October 1987. Reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes is dealt with in part. The given options are, none of the options are correct. The correct option is part XVI. The reservation for seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Indian constitutions is dealt within part XVI. The part XVI of the Indian constitutions, specifically Article 330 to 342A, contains provision related to special provisions relating to certain classes. The Article 330 deals with the reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of the People, that is Lok Sabha. Equality before law and equal protection of law is dealt with in Article. The correct option is Article 14 of the Constitution. This article states that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equality protection of the laws within the territory of India. Which one of the following deals with the panchayats? Here, the correct option is option B, that is part 9 of the Constitutions. This part, titled the Panchayats, covers provisions related to local self-government at the rural level, encompassing Articles 243 to 243O. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Part 9 was added to the Constitution by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992, Panchayati Raj System. The Part 9 outlines the establishment of a three-tier Panchayati Raj system in states at the village, intermediate and district levels. The 11th Schedule. The 73rd Amendment also added the 11th Schedule, which lists 29 functional items of the Panchayats. Which of the following is not correct? The option A, directive principles aim at economic reconstruction. Option B, directive principles aim at establishment of a welfare state. Option C, directive principles aims at separation of executive from judiciary. Option D, directive principles aim at safeguarding the freedom of speech and expression. Here, the correct option is option D. That is, the statement is not correct regarding the directive principles is that they aim at safeguarding the freedom of speech and expression. Directive principles focus on economics and social welfare, not fundamental rights like freedom of speech. That wraps up our analysis of the APSC CCE 2001 previous year questions. We hope this breakdown helped you understand the question pattern and key concepts tested in the exam. Stay tuned because in the upcoming videos we will be covering all the previous year questions of APSC CCE to give you a solid foundation for your preparation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next one. Bye bye.